Dear students, let us discuss the second topic of company law, that is lifting the corporate veil. As we discussed in the characteristics of company, that a company when registered under Companies Act 2013, it gets a separate legal identity in the eyes of law. So, a company in the eyes of law, if duly incorporated, has a separate legal entity. It means the shareholders, the directors, employees, they are not liable for the debts of the company because a company has a separate legal entity. So company will be responsible for the debts and liabilities of the company, and the company's shareholders, members, directors, they are not responsible for the debts of the company. So, all the dealings of the company with the company will be in the name of the company and the members will be disregarded. It shows that there is a veil. Veil means a curtain, parda, between the company and its members. This veil is a partition or a curtain between company and its members. As a company has a separate legal identity in the eyes of law, it means there is a curtain behind the company and its members. दोनों के बीच में there is a curtain. But sometimes the necessity of the situation may compel the authorities, may compel the court to disregard the corporate legal entity. But कई बार ऐसी situations आती हैं जब कोर्ट को डिसरिगार्ड करना पड़ता है सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी को, और उस केस में कंपनी और उसके मेंबर्स को सेपरेट कंसिडर नहीं किया जा सकता. Those cases are called the cases in which court will lift the veil between the members and the company because of separate legal entity of the company. जो कंपनी और उसके मेंबर्स के बीच में कर्टन है, कर्टन मीन्स दोनों के बीच में एक डिफरेंस है, both are considered separate, but in some exceptional cases the court has to lift that veil, court has to lift that curtain, and in those circumstances the company and its members will be considered same. Those are the exceptions of separate legal entity, and those are the circumstances in which court will lift the veil between the members and the company. In this situation, the court will break through the corporate shell and apply the principle of lifting the veil. Lifting the veil means a situation where the courts put aside the limited liability, means कोर्ट लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी को साइड पे रख देती है. दैट मीन्स उस केस में हम जैसे कह रहे थे कि देयर इज अ लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी ऑफ द मेंबर्स ऑफ द कंपनी बिकॉज ऑफ सेपरेट लीगल आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द कंपनी. बट इन केस ऑफ लिफ्टिंग द वेल, a situation arises when the court will put aside this limited liability and the court will hold a corporation's shareholders, directors personally liable for the corporation's actions or debts. In those circumstances, the directors, the shareholders of the company are considered same as the company, and court will disregard the notion of separate legal entity, and in those circumstances the court will lift the veil between the members and the company. So this is about introduction to the topic of lifting the corporate veil. In the next videos we'll discuss about